So in Zen monasteries, first they prepare the body and mind before initiating. When you go to a Zen master, he will just say, please build a hill. You will have to collect stones from all around, put it in one corner and build. By the time it comes some 30, 40 feet, he'll come and say, wow. But I feel, as per the plan, the hill should happen this side. By the time you move the hill there, your bio-memory would have finished all kinds of questions. It would have been exhausted. It would have already told you 10,000 times, why are you caught with these idiots? Why don't you go back to your place and be happy? This is too much. This is not for me. This is not the place I can live. All these fight, all these chota muscle memory things. King should never be used to kill a pawn. Means, after I give initiation, initiation is like a king. When he enters into your system, an ordinary idiot pawns, I am feeling lazy. These are ordinary idiotic pawns. These pawns, not allowing the king inside, is too cheap. Too bad. That is why in Zen monasteries, first they finish all the pawns. This laziness, ideas of freedom, everything they drill it out. They finish it off. Then they send the king inside. You see, once you disrespect king, once your pawn is able to stop the king, you will lose respect for king and you will never ever regain respect for king. That is why again and again and again, Buddha insists, let the mind training be done first, then Satori. Because these fellows who did not have mind training, but just had this initiation, sometime when their pawns affect the initiation, when their pawns put the check to the king, they think the king has no power. It's a foolish idea. But when this foolish idea grows in them, it's very difficult for them to experience enlightenment or retain that initiation into their system and alter the muscle memories to awaken the highest conscious coherence. The depression or the laziness becomes lifestyle. Depression and laziness becoming lifestyle is much worse than death. Go on dismantling your lower consciousness. Go on dismantling your lower I. Your enemy is your lower levels of reflections. Hit them with a steel hand. Your enemy is your laziness. The bio-memory which is not ready to receive, allow, imbibe the highest conscious coherence